Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Subaru WRX STI. This one's fitted with magnetite gray metallic over black. Options include center armrest in off black, rear bumper applique, and the STI short throw shifter for a total price of $43,415. Oh man, I love these cars. Very, very fun car to drive. Guess they didn't take that sticker off yet. Woo, the wind's blowing quickly now. Never been in the back seat of one of these. I dig it. These are cool. Wish they could have an option where you can make this Alcantara. That would tie everything really nicely together. Under the hood, 2.5 liter turbo, producing right about a little over 300 horsepower. So, you know, plenty. Sport sharp mode, center differential, sunroof. This one has the Harman Kardon as well. Does this slide? No. All right. Now we're in reverse. The clutch takes a little bit of getting used to. I'm not gonna lie here. It's very touchy, very sensitive, and until you get used to it, it's pretty easy to stall. So let's see here. There we go. It definitely likes revs when it's setting off. It's kind of difficult to just get it rolling without the gas. So more revs you give it, the happier it really is. To an extent. Over the big bump. Definitely has rally heritage, but not enough to clear jumps. So, well, unless you want to replace it every week, which we'll sell you one every week if you want. So if you want to jump your STI, come on down to Quirk Auto Dealers. We'll sell you a brand new STI every week after you jump yours. When you step, so far today I've reviewed 2 BRZs and 2 STIs on a Crosstrek. When you step out of a BRZ into an STI, man, is it different. But man, is it a lot more fun. They're two very, very different cars, the BRZ and the STI. But they both have the same purpose, and that's to have some fun. And this is bloody fantastic. Well, that could be because I'm young. I personally like it without the wing. That's just me. It gives it a little bit more of a sleeper look. You know, with that massive wing. Also kind of helps rearward visibility too, as you don't have, you know, a wing. The autocross section, not bad at all. Wow, that is just absolutely fantastic. Big bump. Bigger bump. See, I almost stalled it there. It does take a little bit of getting used to, but once you're used to it, once you're driving, I mean, what is it taking me, 20 minutes to get used to it? This thing so much. Not driven a bad STI. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.